Good morning, everybody. Thanks for the time is given to me. Allow me to introduce my friend to all of you. His name is Edgar Jago.
My name is Patricius Waso.
You can call him Edgar.
You can call her Patrice.
She come from Ambai.
She come from Java.
She live in Matloko.
She lifestyle in Turkisa.
She is 16 years old.
She is 20 years old.
His hobby is cute.
She hobbies is sing.
His favorite food banana, drink and color white.
She favorite food drink rice and color blue.
That's all. Thank you.